thought you said Ikenna is dead.
Wanda, I learned that you are looking for my boss. How may I help you?
You cannot help me. Go in there and tell Eze Ngwo Ngwo that Ikenna is here to see him.
It's unfortunate. He's not around now. You may drop him a message.
Tell Eze Ngwo Ngwo that Ikenna from Jakarta came looking for him. Do you understand that? Tell him that.
Rubbish.
Oh. Ha! Madokade! Madoka! Okay, what do you think? He said he's not in at the moment. He's probably avoiding me. Asiocha. Listen, let me tell you. Eze Ngwo Ngwo that I know of could not have possibly gone out without his guards. Especially that one that came out and sold that lies to you. That one is a thief. I know he's telling you lies, but don't worry, everything will be fine. I will do with Eze Ngwo Ngwo. Eze Ngwo Ngwo. Hey! Ike, you mean Eze Ngwo Ngwo did all this to you in Indonesia? And people are singing his praise in and out of this kingdom. Eze Ngwo Ngwo. Hey! People are singing praises of him simply because he's throwing my money around. Eze Ngwo Ngwo made away with my 200 million naira. My hard-earned money. You see, Eze Ngwo Ngwo, if you do not return my money and my wife, this village will not content the both of us. It's not 200 million. 200 million naira. Hey! Hello. Okay, Gente. You have to act very, very fast. Do you know why? Eze Ngwo Ngwo is planning to pay your wife's bride price on the next second market today. One day, and I do not see anything stopping that from happening. That will not happen. Nothing of such will happen. That will only happen when I'm not preaching anymore. I will deal with him. Eze Ngwo Ngwo will give me my 200 million naira. If he fails to do that,
This man again?
Shoot me! That is what I want! Hey! Stay one place! Hey! Eze Ngwo Ngwo! After taking my wife and my money, now you want to kill me! Kill me! Enough forever! If I tell you what I did in Jakarta, you want to know? Hey! He wants to kill me! Give me my money! Give me my money and my wife! Shoot me! Eze Ngwo Ngwo bana Eze Ngwo Ngwo
Come on, move it.
Nanya. You get one more. Cut up with. Shoot me! That is what I want. Hey!
Chikwemi nwayo we na alaka ya boy. Ilata bunu kan nyene again. Wait now, let me do this. Keep this.
Man, I want my wife back. I rather die than to watch another man take my wife away from me.
What your wife? What? Is the one in Indonesia or the one in Nigeria?
Oh, I see you point your mind against me. But that will not happen. Let me tell you something. You see my wife? I want my wife back. He cannot have my wife. Not after running away with my money.
My son, relax yourself. Calm down. We'll find a way to settle this peacefully. Please, just calm down.
Settle what peacefully? Nani, settle what peacefully? When my wife is still with another man?
That's what I'm saying. Just relax yourself. We'll settle it. Relax.
Nani. If you don't want to know Jimwe, Mujini. Mujini no kwa vunu tenu Jimwe. Let me know what.
Go to that place. You not afraid if he decides to beat you. All you do. It's not cool. And you're shouting at him. You're not afraid.
You remember when we had to go hungry in this house because there was no money?
It's your boo.
As I have entered this compound, you shall not depart from this compound. This is the way money kicked me about the streets of Istanbul. Mama, take. There is not money for you. Take. There is not money for you. Papa. You are
Papa, as you can see, your son has made money. Okay? I did not just come back to see you people, but also to invest. But before then, I need to put up a very big mansion in this village.
Hey!
But I need a site, a very strategic place that I can erect the kind of mansion I want to erect in this village. So that whoever sees it will know that your son Tututego won in Istanbul.
Hey! Obiora Nile! And you will be a great boy. Hey! Obiora, hey!
That is not a problem. It's not a problem. I have a very lovely plan. Strategically situated at the back of us house. I reserve that one for you.
Nine. Didn't you hear what he said? I don't know if you also know Chorilo. Elebele, Ejolo. When you put out one no Biora and Mam, a Batago.
Yes.
What of the other one you have along the road that is very strategic? Why not give it to him?
Wait, are you talking of the one in front of our house?
Yes.
Mbani. It's not possible. That land belongs to my son as the first son.
Who is your son?
This is birthright now. Ikenna.
Who is your son?
In case you've forgotten.
Who is your son? We are talking about someone that is ready and stable financially. You put up your son that is not even ready to do anything in the next 10 years. Let
me tell you, nobody will go near that land. That land rightfully belongs to my son. Nonsense.
I don't even know why you will have to go and block Eze Ngwo Ngwo's gate.
I will keep on blocking his gate until he gives me that money.
Now, if I am to advise, you need to be careful. Especially these days that troubles are coming left, right, and center.
Biko, you know your father has handed over your land to your younger brother to build on.
Huh?
Your birthright.
So, it's now my father did what?
You heard me now. Maybe when he comes back with your brother, you will ask him.
Nobody will bid on that land. That is my inheritance. Nobody will bid on that land.
Nabian, come back. No. Come now, let me finish up.
Mama,
nobody
will bid on that land.
You're not wearing your shirt, oh. Here. Oh, Osinenu, Osinakuku, Osinani, Osiebenine. Kedi yo kolubifa. Even Job in the Bible ataluru dia fufu anoma.
Obiora.
Okay, let me call you back.